Hello and welcome everyone. In this section we are going to install all the required software for the course. Now some of these softwares are necessary and some of these are optional, and I'll be telling you which one is which. In this video we are going to be talking about Node.js and how we can install Node.js. So first of all, go to the link I provided in the resources section, and there you can get the link of this www.nodejs.org. So we'd go to nodejs.org. In here you can go to the download section and you can download the file which is relevant to your distro, either Windows, Mac or Linux. On Windows and Mac it's pretty straightforward. You can just download the .msi or the .pkg file and the graphical installer will walk you through it. However, in Linux it does get a bit tricky. So in Linux what we have done is I have posted another link. I want you to go to that link. So in here it gives you a detailed walkthrough of what all you need to do to set up Node.js on your system, and I recommend you to just follow these directly. After you're done with the installation, what you should do is go to your terminal and write node ---- version, and you should get something like this, and npm ---- version, and you should get something like this. If any of these have an error, you should go through the installation again. Now I'm using the long-term support version, which is 12.16.1, and I recommend you to use this one too. If you're using an older version, I recommend you to upgrade it to this one. Thank you for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video.